I just finished setting up this Lenovo One Tab tablet, which, by the way, was super easy and only took a few minutes. And as you can see in the background, I've got a bunch of apps that are in the process of getting installed. So while it does that, I want to show you the specs on this tablet and walk you through some of the key features. This tablet is already set up on my home Wi-Fi. It's got Bluetooth capabilities, and here in the settings, you can see more information about the model number and CPU. There's 64 gigs of storage, which is plenty for all the apps I want installed, and there's 4 gigs of memory, which for casual and entertainment purposes is perfect. This tablet is running on Android version 15, which is currently the most stable major version of Android available behind version 16, which just got released back in summer of 2025. In terms of ports, towards the bottom, we've got a pinhole on the left, which is the microphone, a USB-C 2.0 port for charging and for data transfers. We also have an audio jack on the far right and a speaker grill, which is one of two for this tablet. Next, we have a power button and the volume buttons beside it. Flipping the tablet over to the back, we have one of two cameras. I also have this tablet inserted into a Pro case.